Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. So today we're going to be doing some deep fried chicken wings. They are smoke flavored chicken wings. They're raw chicken wings. And then we're going to toss them in some Memphis sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. We're also going to be frying up some mozzarella sticks by Farm Rich. It's the party size. And I'm going to be using my Copper Chef cooktop. It's an induction cooktop, and I'm going to be deep frying in my Dutch oven you see here. Let me just move the pot so I can show you that it's the Copper Chef. So with this is the induction cooker, so you can cook with any type of pots on here, cast iron, regular, anything. So we already have the oil in our Dutch oven here, and I have the temperature set at 410 degrees, which you should really only need it to be about 350, but I went ahead and, put the temperature a little bit higher just to assure that the heat would be, the oil would be heated properly, because once you start putting in your chicken wings, your oil temperature will drop. So I just went ahead and put it up a little bit higher than normal. So these wings will deep fry for about 10 minutes. And I do have my little meat thermometer that I will stick in to make sure that they are at 165 degrees. So that's the temperature when you know that chicken is cooked all the way through. Okay, so we're going to let these fry up a little bit, and then we will be back to stir them around a little bit to flip them on the other side to make sure that it's getting nice and crispy on both sides of our chicken wings. Look at that, yum! So these look like they're about ready to come out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pull the largest chicken wing out, and I'm going to stick my thermometer in to make sure that it's at 165 to be done. Look how nice and crispy they look. So let me get my thermometer, and we'll go ahead and check the temperature. It's looking pretty good.
Okay, that's good.
So that's it.
Supposed to be at 165 and it was almost at
perfect.
180.
So I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of the chicken wings out.
I'm putting them in the...
And then we'll get ready and we'll do the second batch. Look how golden crispy these look. I cannot wait to try these chicken wings. And I've been on a diet lately, so I've been doing really good. So this is my cheat day. Don't judge me. So here's the second batch going in. And we're going to do the same for this one. We're going to do 10 minutes for this batch of wings. Okay, so we're going to let these cook, and then I'll have them all pulled out and ready to be drained in the pan, and then we're going to start with our mozzarella sticks. So here's all the chicken done. It's draining off the excess grease. So we're going to go ahead and start deep frying our mozzarella sticks. Yum! And these mozzarella sticks only take about 2 minutes and 30 seconds to fry up. So these are looking really good. So we're going to go ahead and pull them out, and we're going to lay them on a paper towel to start draining the extra grease as well, just like we did for our chicken. And yes, I will be frying up this whole bag of mozzarella sticks just so that we have leftovers and stuff like that. While the rest of these mozzarella sticks are getting fried up, we're going to get ready to toss our chicken wings in that Memphis barbecue sauce. So here I have a mixing bowl, and we're going to do about 4 or 5 pieces of chicken wings at a time with the sauce to get mixed up. Look, the crispy stuff is falling off. Yum. Okay, so we have our wings in, and then we're just going to go ahead and start putting our sauce on top. And this is the Memphis Sweet and Spicy by Heinz. And let me tell you guys, it truly is delicious. It reminds me of a barbecue sauce that you would get on ribs, but it's really excellent on these wings. Like, I'm telling you, when dinner was done, it was so delicious. And 7 wings are equal to about 200 calories. So it's, you know, good if you're counting your calories too, because it's not that much. Now, I don't know about with the sauce added, but it's worth it. They were delicious. So yummy. Okay, gonna stir these up some. Looks pretty good. Okay, our mozzarella sticks are about ready to come out. And I love this Copper Chef cooktop. It's great for when you want to deep fry, because sometimes if you're deep frying on the stove, you don't know the temperature of your oil. And this, using the cooktop, it's perfect to let you know what temperature you're at. So we got some more chicken wings in our mixing bowl here. We're going to add some more sauce. And I'm going to be dipping these in blue cheese later on. So yummy. I definitely think you should try this. Try to get that pecan smoked chicken wings that I got in this Memphis barbecue sauce. You will not regret it. Definitely want to deep fry. I mean, you can put them in the oven if you like, or your air fryer, which is healthier, you know. You still want that crispy fried taste. So let's move on over to the table really quick. Sorry for this stuff everywhere. Okay, so then we're going to start putting our wings into this tin pan. We don't need that paper towel no more, because it should be getting all the drained grease. Should be gone by now. You do not want to drain off that barbecue sauce, so no paper towel needed. Okay, our last little bit of mozzarella sticks are about done. Yum. Okay, everything is done. We got all the wings done. I mean, they just look amazing. So here's our wings and our mozzarella sticks. Perfect for a cheat day.